Hello my fellow nerds, my name is Jamie and I'm just trying to live my best nerd life. Now in today's video I'm going to be unboxing a t-shirt from the MonthlyTeeClub. I just want to clarify that it's not actually sponsored by these guys, but I did get the t-shirt for free. I actually just paid $1.99 for the postage and packaging, but the actual t-shirt itself was free. I actually did this by just typing in the word Freebie into the payment section of their website. Now it wasn't a code that was specifically made for me, I basically just found it on a Facebook ad and I tried to do it and it worked. So now that I've said that, I'm going to open this box, see what the t-shirt is like. I actually know what design is going to be onto it because that's a specific feature for this website and I will explain that later on. But I just want to see exactly how well this t-shirt is in terms of quality. So let's go. And here it is. I mean, it is just a cardboard box, but they've spent some time making it look quite appealing. And for me as a designer by trade, this really does appeal to me. So on the front it's got a nice recurring pattern, it's got the logo on the corner there, and on the back it's got a nice little message, and I'll read it to you now. Wearing is caring. By subscribing to the MonthlyTeeClub, not only do you get to receive awesome t-shirts every month, but we also donate to good causes. We think that's pretty awesome. Thank you. So yeah, it's just a nice little kind of personalised touch, and I do appreciate it. Makes me feel, you know, like I'm in a club, I guess. Not only have they spent some time personalising this box, it is actually good for the environment because there's no actual plastic wrapping around it. It came as this and it's literally just some cardboard that you can throw away into the recycling bin and it will get recycled. There is one downside to this though, and it's not really their fault I don't think. When I received this package, it kind of looked like it'd been opened. I mean, it looks like someone has opened it, had a look at the t-shirt, seen the design, not liked it, and then just, I don't know, put it back in their bag, I guess. So yeah, let's finish opening this thing. So yeah, as I said, it's literally just a cardboard box with a t-shirt inside. And let's have a look at this t-shirt. And yeah, this is it. It's the Godzilla t-shirt. I think it's actually pretty cool. Especially as Godzilla's come out recently. So yeah, what happens when you subscribe to this service is you put in a few of your likes, so it could be gaming or music or I don't know, driving or whatever. So when you do that, the website automatically picks several t-shirts that coincide with your interests and you get to choose from those that are available. I do like this idea. I know that having a surprise every now and then is a positive thing, but sometimes you just want to see exactly what I'm getting for my money, and having this service helps considerably. So yeah, that's my short little talk about the MonthlyTeeClub. I do actually like this t-shirt and I'm going to be getting next month's just to see kind of what else they have to offer. This isn't a sponsored video, but maybe in the future I might be able to get some kind of sponsorship, I don't know. That would be nice. But anyway, if you did like this video, then by all means subscribe to me, share with your friends, like it, leave a comment. I do really appreciate any feedback, any comments that you give me. And yeah, thanks a lot guys, have a good day.